guys, we're out here in Triadelphia Reservoir. It's late July and today's forecast, as you can see, is nice and sunny. A little wind coming from the east and should be pretty calm today, maybe a little humid, but so far been fishing for a couple hours and basically we're on late summer pattern, or early to midsummer pattern actually. I'm sorry, I take that back. Midsummer pattern. And so we are out here on offshore ledges and points and hitting rocks, and we're going to try and see if we can nab a fish or two. I don't think they're terribly active today, so we're going to try and hit some bottom contours and hit some rocks. I got a 3/4 ounce jig right here, a little peanut butter and jelly with a little rage crawl trailer, and we'll see if we can nab a couple. Where I am is basically, I'm at the mouth of a small cove off the main lake, and there's some ledge rock, and this is somewhere I call the graveyard, and there's a little point right up there, and it's got what looks like little tombstone rocks and little ledges, and it's a perfect hideout for the bass, for them to ambush shad or crawfish, and there's a lot of crawfish hanging around in there, so I'm trying to do that same thing, mimic a little crawfish, and see if I can get them to bite on this a little bit. Water's pretty clear today, as it usually is out here in the midsummer. We're looking at about 4 to 5 feet of clarity here in the lower part of the lake, and if you were to go a little higher up on the upper part of the lake, you'd be getting maybe 2 or 3 feet of visibility. Nice little bit of stain. Dragging bottom, feeling for rocks. I got a couple of rattles on that jig, and each time it hits a piece of rock, it's going to make that little clicking sound, and hopefully that'll attract the bass in. Oh, I think I got a bite. There we go. This doesn't feel like a big one, but let me see what it looks like here. Size. It's a nice little keeper. Don't go in the trolling motor there. Don't go in the trolling motor. That's that little peanut butter and jelly. Oh, you choked it down too. It'll stay hooked up. Come here, buddy. Open your mouth. There you go. Nice little chunky offshore bass. He hit it right when I got up onto a piece of rock. Nice little guy here. Not the biggest one, but still like catching them. Let's see if I can throw him on the scale real quick and get a little measurement on him. Say he's going to go for about 1.5 pounds. Let's see here. 110. All right, let's let him go. Thank you, buddy. Boy, that's fun. Feel of a jig bite, there's nothing like it. Feel that tick tick, and you know they got it in the back of their head.